Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscriptions on Amazon Prime. Say for example, you have a subscription on Paramount Plus, Stars, or whatever subscriptions that is. No worries, I'm going to be here to help you out. So first thing you want to do is you want to log in to the Amazon website. As you can see, I'm already logged in. And the next thing you want to do is you want to hover your mouse in here, top right corner of your screen, and then go to memberships and subscriptions. After you click on memberships and subscriptions, you're gonna see a web page just like this. Now, the next thing you want to do is, let's say for example you have the Paramount Plus and the Stars Plus or the Stars subscription in here. You just simply need to click on a button right here in order for you to unsubscribe to that subscription or membership. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out, guys. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you're updated with our daily uploads. This is Josh. I'm going to see you on the next one.